This is Mr. Salemi with a quick video on today's assembly line project, where we're going to be making self-driving cars. So you're in a car company that has created this self-driving car that once it's put together, it can navigate a path that we've created in the quality assurance or QA department. The car is made of these parts, and this slide shows you how many parts of each kind and has pictures of the parts so that you can put them into your assembly line instructions. One thing that is not in the instructions is where to put the wires, and we see here that which wire goes into which motor in the self-driving car. So you'll have to make sure that your assembly line does this properly or your car will run backwards. One other thing we've learned is that you need to have a little spacer between in the hub of the wheel so that it doesn't push too tightly against the motor and cause the car to veer. So what's in an assembly line process? You're going to be creating stations, and each station will do one step in creating the car. So in this example, station 1 is given two of these parts, and this part, and creates this where these parts are put in the proper place. Then that goes to the next station, who puts the motors on so that the car then looks like this, and then it goes to the next station. When you create a station, you're going to have a slide that has the parts going in and the instruction, and then what comes out. So for example, it looks like this. There's no input because this is the first station. Here are the supplies that the station needs. Here's what the person does with the supplies, and here's what the person produces, and then that goes out to the next slide. We're going to be creating a modern assembly line that recycles parts. So we're going to assemble the car, drive it in QA, and then disassemble it, put all the parts back in the bins, and run it through again. Run the assembly through again. So you're going to create 10 cars using the parts for 5 cars. And so that is your assignment. You're going to be creating an assembly line that makes 10 cars and disassembles 5 cars to make the second 5. Good luck.